Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to solve your Skype problem. To know how to find a solution about Skype problem, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Skype. When you find this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app of Skype. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.